Thriving in uncertainty is one of the most powerful applications of Stoicism. The philosophy was born in chaotic times, wars, political instability, personal loss, and is uniquely suited to help us stay grounded, clear-minded, and resilient no matter how turbulent life becomes. Here's a detailed guide on how to use Stoicism to thrive in uncertainty. 1. Understand the nature of uncertainty. Stoics accept that uncertainty is an inevitable part of life. Epictetus said, "It's not things themselves that disturb us, but our opinions about them. We suffer not because life is uncertain, but because we believe it should be predictable." Practice. Remind yourself daily, I do not control the outcome, only my response. Accept change as a constant, not a disruption. Apply the dichotomy of control. This is Stoicism's most powerful tool. Separate what you can control from what you cannot. Control includes your judgments, values, actions, and goals. Everything else, outcomes, events, others' behavior, is external. How it helps. Reduces anxiety by narrowing your focus. Helps you act wisely and efficiently. Daily question. Is this within my control? 3. Anchor yourself in virtue, not outcome. In uncertain times, many chase security or success. Stoics anchor themselves in virtue, courage, justice, wisdom, and temperance. These are always within your reach. Example. Instead of worrying about job loss, ask, am I showing up with integrity, courage, and discipline today? Practice negative visualization, premeditatio malorum. Mentally rehearse possible setbacks before they happen. This prepares you emotionally, reduces shock, and builds resilience. How to do it. Visualize losing a job, a plan failing, or being misunderstood. Then ask, how would a Stoic handle this? This isn't pessimism, it's preparation. 5. Maintain inner calm through reflection. Journaling and contemplation were central to the Stoic practice. Marcus Aurelius wrote nightly to anchor himself in reason and virtue. Daily habits. Morning. What adversity might I face? How will I meet it virtuously? Evening. Where did I act wisely? Where did I lose composure? How can I improve tomorrow? 6. Control your narrative. You can't always control events, but you can always control the story you tell yourself about them. Stoics are masters of reframing. Example. Instead of, this crisis ruined my plans, say, this challenge is a test of my resolve and a chance to grow stronger. 7. Live in accordance with nature. For Stoics, this means aligning your life with reason, duty, and virtue, not chasing what's pleasurable or fashionable. In uncertain times, grounding yourself in what is natural, honesty, courage, humility, brings peace. Detach from results, commit to process. In uncertainty, outcomes are unpredictable. But your actions, your process, can always reflect excellence. Principle. Let go of winning or losing. Focus on doing what is right and reasonable. 9. Draw strength from community and role models. Stoicism is personal, but not solitary. Surround yourself with those who value reason, discipline, and honesty. Study the lives of people, past and present, who endured hardship with grace. 10. Use voluntary discomfort to build grit. By choosing discomfort before it's forced on you, you become stronger. Fast, sleep on the floor, wake early. Do hard things. Seneca wrote, set aside a certain number of days, where you live on the scantiest of fare, and ask, is this what I feared? 11. Embrace amor fati, the love of fate. Go beyond acceptance. Love whatever happens as necessary and beneficial. This radical acceptance transforms uncertainty into opportunity. Mindset shift. Not only will I endure this, I will find meaning in it. 12. Take action anyway. Uncertainty can paralyze, but Stoics act. They do not wait for clarity or guarantees. Practice. Do the next right thing, however small. Let virtue, not fear, drive your choices. Final thought. Uncertainty doesn't weaken the Stoic, it strengthens them. When others are consumed by panic or indecision, the Stoic leads by calm example. By mastering control, cultivating courage, and seeking clarity, you not only endure uncertainty, you thrive in it. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Marcus Aurelius.